Hello everyone. In this PPT, we are going to talk about structure and applications of graphite and fullerenes. Graphite and fullerenes are allotropes of carbon. Now let us begin our discussions with graphite, one of the most common form of carbon. Graphite has layered structure, as you can see here. It has layers of carbon atom in hexagonal forms. So in graphite, each carbon atom is bonded to three another carbon atom, and one of which is going to be a double bond. The hexagonal rings of graphite has sigma bonds and pi bonds. Graphite conducts electricity because of pi electrons. These electrons are free to move within a single layer of graphite. Whenever you have a structure that has charged particles that are free to move, those structures can conduct electricity. Graphite can also conduct heat. It is an excellent thermal conductor. Graphite is composed of two-dimensional layers, and between the layers it has weak van der Waals forces which holds the layer together, and that's why very easily they can slide over each other. Because of these property, it is used as pencil lead. Graphite is soft in nature and slippery in nature. That's why it is also used as solid lubricants. So the bonding between the layer is very weak. However, bonding within or inside the layer is very strong covalent bond. And thus graphite has very high melting point. Now, structure and applications of graphite. Graphite can be used as high temperature refractories, welding electrodes, and also in air purification system. It is also used for making carbons, brushes in electrical motors. Now let us move on to fullerene. Karl, Kroto and Smalley discovered the most common fullerenes in 1985, known as Buckminster fullerene. It is represented by C60. These are molecules of carbon with hollow spheres. It is actually a molecule of 60 carbon atoms. There is alternative arrangement of hexagonal, pentagonal rings like football. It has wide space inside the case. Buckminster fullerene, the name comes from an American architect. It was named as Buckminster fullerene to honor him, who was a great architect famous for his dome-shaped joists. Fullerene has 12 5-membered rings and 26-membered rings, and the double bonds are localized in 6-membered rings. The diameter of fullerene C60 molecule is 0.7 nanometer. Now come to applications. Fullerene has number of applications because of its case-like structure. Fullerene can be added to polymers to form copolymers with specific physical and mechanical properties. It can also be used as MRI agent. It has good catalytic property. It is used as catalyst for the synthesis of styrene from ethyl benzene. Fullerene has many applications in electronics, like it is used in data storage, chemical sensors, etc. Fullerene doped in alkali metal is used as superconductors. It is also used in solar cell. Fullerene has many medicinal applications also because of wide space inside the case. It is used for drug delivery systems. It can be used as inhibitor for inhibition of HIV protease. It acts as antioxidants. Now come to the preparation of fullerenes. The most well-known method is arc discharge method. This approach involves voltage supply between two graphite electrodes as illustrated in this image. The two rods facing each other with 1 nanometer gap. And of course, this process involves high temperature. The synthesis in this approach is performed in a chamber filled with inert gas. It could be either helium or argon gas. A difference of potential is applied between the two electrodes, creating a plasma between the two electrodes when the temperature can reach 6000 degrees centigrade. As the carbon atoms are ejected from the solid, these carbon atoms accumulate to a colder zone in the chamber in the form of fullerenes. Fullerene yield depends on the quality of carbon used. The next method is thermal method, pyrolysis. That means heating at high temperature. Here hydrocarbons which already consist 5 and 6 membered rings like naphthalene, coronalines, etc. pyrolyzed at 1000 degrees centigrade in an inert atmosphere to produce fullerenes. As hydrocarbon already consists of 5 and 6 membered rings. So overall we can say here we learned about the structure of graphite, structure of fullerenes, their properties, their applications related to the structure property, their preparation methods, etc. Thank you.